Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. Now, I left the last video talking about the sort of cat dynamics, and the reason I said this is because when the cat plays now, and you'll notice that I've changed and edited my. We got the jump dynamics, but the dynamics of the cat itself is when I double tap the spacebar. It jumps. So really what we need to do is say, look, can't do this because it's cheating. Basically it goes against the laws of gravity. Okay, so we don't want to be able to go over there. We want to be able to go and make our players jump that way. Okay, so we want to be able to go and get the coins and what have you there. Okay, so what we're going to do is say that when we are in this if here, when we're in the A button, it needs to be when the cat is sort of still, or it's at a certain level, which is 0. So once it it's here and its Y level is 0, you can only hit the button once. Okay, hitting it again while it's in the air, while its Y value is anything but 0, you can't hit the button again. So you can only hit it while it's at 0. And for us to do this, you can see that it's called my sprite, which is okay, but it's going to get a little bit confusing if we don't give it a proper name. So what we need to do first is go and give it a variable and say this is Cato. So Cato, and we're going to go and change these to Cato. So here, Cato, move my sprite to Cato, change Cato, my sprite, Cato, and this to be Cato. It starts to make a bit more sense because what we've got to do in a minute is use Cato as a little bit of maths. And that little bit of maths is this bit here. So we can only set this to jump when Cato's Y value is 0. So it's not moving up and down. It can move, it can jump while it's moving side to side, but it does not, you can't jump again if it's anything but 0. So let's go and do this then. We want a logic. So we want this, and if Cato's Y value is equal to 0, so we're going to get Cato, and we can go and duplicate this, so we can get it from here and just go and drag Cato into there. So you'll notice that oval blocks can go into oval spaces. Let's just do a nice little tip that. So Cato, if Cato equals, we've got the box here, but that's fine. And what we want is the velocity, don't we? We want cat's velocity. The cat's velocity is going to be in sprites, and then let's go and get my sprite here. We want this bit, and we can change the sprite to Cato, like so. And then we want Vy velocity is set to 0, then we can set the jump speed to 175, else it can't work. Let's go and see, let's go and test it out. Let's go and see if it works. Let's go and test it out. Right, there's a cat. I'm going to put this full screen so we can see. When I hit the space bar now, which is going to be just above my head with the A. Now while it's in the air, you should be able to see now, I can't jump again, because it can only happen when the cat's velocity or vertical value is 0. So it's 0 at the moment. If it changes, I can't jump again. So go and play test that, test it out, see if it works. If it doesn't, come back and check all the scores and doors here, and make sure you've got a variable now for your cat or your dog or whatever character that you decided to use and draw, and give it that name and name that variable, because later on we have to go and win the game in a minute. So in our next video we have to go and say if Cato is going to hit something and collect something, then we either lose or we win the game. So that's what we need to do next. All right, so as always, have fun, good luck.